Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to enable site geolocation now. First, confirm Chrome is updated and your device location services are on. Open the site that requests location and keep it active in a tab. If you're on a managed device, make sure administration policies allow location access. Otherwise, pause here and request permission. Once done, click the padlock icon or the Site Info button in the address bar to view permissions. This is where you'll change location settings directly for that site. Now adjust the detailed permission. Click the padlock icon by the URL, select Site Settings, then find Location and set it to Allow. If you prefer prompts, choose Ask so Chrome requests permission each time. Choose Block to deny. To change multiple sites or reset choices, open Chrome, //settings/content/location in the address bar and manage entries under Allow and Block. Make sure the page reloads after changes, so the site reads the updated setting and can finish by reloading the page and granting any in-page prompt so the site can acquire your coordinates. You should see location-based content immediately. If it still fails, verify your operating system's location services are enabled and that Chrome is allowed to use location. Also disable privacy extensions temporarily or clear site data for that domain. If problems persist, use incognito to rule out extensions, then reset site permissions and try again. This usually resolves stuck or cached permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.